Hello everyone, in this session we will introduce the basic troubleshooting for Kebbi. Before we begin discussing various malfunction scenarios, it's important to remember that the first step when encountering a malfunction is to upload the robot system report for problem analysis. When Kebbi experiences an issue, go to the main menu, select the Diagnostics tool, and choose to upload a system report. Provide a detailed description of the problem, and you can choose whether to submit the report anonymously. After filling in your personal details, you may add additional comments in the notes section and then submit the system report. Be sure to note the time the issue occurred and the device's serial number, which will help the customer support team follow up. Next, we categorize the troubleshooting issues into 3 main categories, the first being Kebbi's voice-related issues. When you hear, Kebbi cannot, or if the Nuiwa store image are not displaying correctly, it means Kebbi hasn't successfully connected to the internet. In this case, please check if the hotspot and Wi-Fi router has been switched on and is operating properly. Please make sure to check if you're connected to the internet. Being connected to a local network only will not work. If you see the icon on the right, it means your network is not connected to the internet. If you find that Kebbi is unable to understand your commands clearly or responds inappropriately, there are 2 methods to help improve its understanding. You can use Nuiwa Creative Tool, Train Kit to create a project and deploy it to Kebbi. It allows you to further train Kebbi's conversational skills, or you can directly report the voice issue to Nuiwa customer support. The second category of issues is related to hardware malfunctions. If Kebbi's wheels are not moving, first check if the chest light is glowing dark blue. If so, it means Kebbi is in movement lock mode. Please check the movement button in the drop-down menu, and if it's turned off, tap it again to enable movement. If Kebbi suddenly stops moving, it could be due to the following reasons: motor issue. A prompt will appear on the screen. Follow the instructions provided. Detected lifting. A warning will appear on the screen, and the chest light will turn orange-red. Place Kebbi back in a safe area to automatically clear the warning. Kebbi is in action lock mode. In this case, Kebbi's head and hands will light up dark blue. Check the action button in the drop-down menu, and if it's off, tap it again to enable movement. If Kebbi still isn't moving, please contact Nuiwa customer support. The final category of issues relates to power problems. If pressing and holding the power button on Kebbi's head doesn't turn it on, first check if the battery is low. When Kebbi is off, a short press of the power button or plugging it into a charger will display the battery level on the screen. Please note that if the battery is too low, the charging indicator light will only appear once the battery has reached a certain level. If Kebbi's power options don't respond due to a system malfunction, try holding the power button on its head for more than 10 seconds to force a shutdown. If the charging indicator isn't flashing, it could be because the battery is fully charged, the plug isn't fully connected, or a non-Nuiwa charger is being used. Additionally, if Kebbi will not be used for an extended period, turn it off and store it in a dry environment. It is recommended to charge it at least once every 3 months to prevent permanent battery damage from deep discharge. Congratulations on learning about the basic troubleshooting of Kebbi. For more tutorials, please scan the QR code to continue learning at the Nuiwa support.